besties, and welcome to my first of many vlogs, and that is my moving vlog. So I moved to a new apartment and this is that. I did move, and if you don't follow me on Instagram stories, you are so in the dark because I was talking on Instagram stories left and right about like tempted to break my lease. Like I had just moved to this new place. 5 months ago, I moved to that other apartment that I lived in December. Post breakup, I was just needing of change, but I didn't make a big enough change because I went to an apartment in a rush and it was dark. It was just smaller than I thought I needed. I downsized from a 2-bedroom to a very small 1-bedroom. I just could not fit everything in there. I woke up depressed every morning because it was so dark in there. And I had said that I was going to move to New York. Again, follow me on Instagram, you know all the drama. I was gonna move to New York, but then I realized when I was looking at apartments there, I found the perfect one, but I realized if I'm depressed in a dark apartment in California where it's generally sunny all the time, New York is not for me right now. My mental health cannot handle New York. I need sunshine every day. I need sunny weather. It's annoying, but I do for my mental health because I've just been going through a very rocky period with my mental health for like the past few years, pretty much whole life, but you know, we're working through it. So I thought, take a shot every time I say so. Therefore, I'm gonna show you all the clips with the empty apartment tour, the whole thing, but essentially, I wanted to move here for my mental health, and I'm so glad that I did because I really needed a refresh like this. I got some new pieces of furniture. I have some still coming on the way, and then I also got a bunch of prints for my apartment from Decor, and this video is in collaboration with Decor. If you guys don't know what Decor is, it's a super dope online shop where you can get prints and frames and just everything art, and it makes your apartment look so good. That's why I wanted to pick out these pieces like right before I got into this place, and then I moved them with me. But I picked out amazing pieces. I got like a variation of them, and I do have a discount code for you guys. So if you want to get 35% off your entire order, valid until midnight on June 12th, then you can use the code Siena Mirabella at checkout, and I'll have the link to all of my prints in the description box below, as well as the link to Decor. That discount code doesn't apply to frames or personalized pieces. So you can use the discount code and get 35% off to get some cool prints for your apartment. I didn't have any art in my last apartment, and art really just transforms a space. It makes it cozier, it gives it personality, and so I wanted to pick pieces that really fit my personality and just look good with my aesthetic. So I'm so excited to show you guys the pieces that I got. But first, let's get into the empty apartment tour and the start of my moving vlog. You first walk in, here's the door, love that, and then the vibes. We have an open concept, so like dining room area over here, living area. I'm gonna put my couch right there, TV and console right there, and then obviously dining table and hutch are gonna go in this area. Probably gonna just put a giant mirror right there to kind of separate the two, but I don't know. This is the kitchen. She's a beauty. She is so beautiful. And if you follow me on Instagram stories, you know that this was brown originally, and I walked in, took one look and said no. So they painted it, and my move-in date got pushed like one day because they painted it today. So I'm moving tomorrow, Tuesday. But oh, also insanely dope because it has a water filter. I already have like one of those Brita filters. That was inappropriate. I have one of those like Brita things. It's not Brita, but it's like Costco. But that's cool. Also, this sexy girl. First thing I put in here was my Smeg espresso machine. Oh my God, I use this thing every single day. I will put a link to it below if you want to get the exact one as me. It has a milk frother, double shot, single shot, the milk frothing. It can warm your cups up, girl. I can't wait to do morning routines and show off this little sexy girl. The appliances. Yes, girl. Yes, and one thing that's super cool is they come with the little trash things, you know, like recycled trash. My old apartment, I had to take like out a shelf to put my trash can in, so this is just really bougie and convenient. And then they have a wine fridge, like my patio, but it gives me some extra lighting in here, and it's just gonna be great to just come in here, work, and this is my dedicated work area. And then I do have a closet in here, which was very essential for me. And all the closets, well, there's only 2, but the closets in here have these built-in mirrors in the door, which is unreal. We love her. So I'm gonna put like all of my filming stuff and clothes that I have to style in this closet. It's gonna be great. And then you come down here. We love our Nest Queen. Like, ugh, she's so cute. Okay. And then here's the master bedroom. It's carpet, which I do love. What is that orb? Girl, we got ghosties already. That is me. This is the closet door, because you know, mirror. And then look at this closet. I have wanted a closet like this my entire life, and I never have had one that's like this. Oh my God, it's amazing. I cannot wait to have mental breakdowns in here, to organize this. It is going to be so fun. I'm just so excited. And then you go down, out, and into the hallway again. And then over here is the laundry things. These are the washer and dryer. I've always wanted the front loading ones that feels bougie, very classy. And then the bathroom is over here. So she's big, she's beautiful. She's large and in charge. I love the cutouts in there. I'm gonna put like plants so it looks very, you know, jungly. And then I love the glass shower because it's just open, it's fun. I can see if a murderer is coming into my bathroom. I'm very aware now. It's amazing. And then we have a little cutout there too. And oh, the medicine cabinet is also mirrored inside. So this gives me very much Vogue vibes, I don't know. And that is the entire apartment. That's the whole thing. I am so excited to show you guys like the unpacking process, getting some new furniture in here, decorating. Hello, welcome to the day after moving. I just ordered my new coffee table, which is a brown wood color. It's so gorgeous. I ordered my console, but that's not gonna be here till October, which horrible. And then I do want a new dining room table. I have the exact one that I want. I'll pop it up on the screen, but this is kind of like the situation right now. I just want to show you guys. Now that I've moved everything into here, I'm gonna do a whole moving vlog part 2 of unpacking, organizing everything, but I just wanted this first vlog to like show you guys everything. So, you know, the next one will be organizing, but my desk did come. Look at her. This, I'm getting rid of this as well. This is gonna go in the dining room with the dining table that's new, but we're not doing that yet because, you know, those things are expensive, so we're waiting. And moving is very expensive, but especially when you break your lease. But this is my dream desk, and I finally got it. And I finally have a place for my desktop computer now, because that's what sucked, is I was never able to use my desktop computer in my old apartment. I'm not really sure what I want to do in terms of furniture in here. I know I might want to get like a double clothing rack to style outfits here, because that's like my main priority, but not sure. Was thinking maybe a chair, couch, or something. We don't know. I'm getting rid of this, getting a new one. We don't know what I want yet, but I think those are the vibes. And then kitchen really needs some work, but this is the bedroom so far. Hi, Addie. So we got the clothing rack in here, but I think I'm gonna put it in the office and do a chair and plant over there. I think that'd look really good. Here's the bathroom so far. Absolute mess. But yeah, let's get to some unpacking. Look at this one. Look at this one. All right, let's do this one. This is the color palette I want for my apartment. Not the green, the orange. Like, I wish this one was the bigger one, because I'm gonna put like a sunset photo here, or like a painted sunset, and then I wanted something orange there, but I really like this there, so we're gonna have to see. But let's put these last ones together. These are the other prints that I got, and I framed them They're so gorgeous. I love this one. I'm definitely gonna put this one over there. I'm gonna swap it out. We know we want this one here, so let me move the books because they just don't vibe right now. This one can stay because it kind of matches. These can move. Now, let's look really quickly how this is gonna look. I was never taught how to hang art, so winging it. So I called my mom because where would I be without that girly? Okay, so I'm gonna use this, which is my little thingy that I bought, and then I'm gonna use a hammer, cause like, you know. My mom told me to eyeball it, and she said, don't even bother measuring it, cause she eyeballs everything. It's her Sagittarius moon. I don't know, she's the most spontaneous person I know, but I feel like that advice is solid. So I'm gonna listen to it. I'm a working girl. Okay, okay, what do you think is the center? That's the center. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Let's just do it. Oh my God, that's not the center. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. Oh no. Wait, where's the little thingy? Okay. Okay, let's do the next one. I've decided, here's what I've decided. I've decided that this one, I'm actually gonna hang up right here because I think, oh, on to the next. It's just another day at the office. It's just another day at the office. Just straight winging it. I am just a symmetrical queen, or at least I'm telling myself that. That looks really good. Okay, I stand with it. Do you stand with it? Say something. So let's go through everything. Let's run through. We have photo number 1 in its home, photo number 2 in its home, beautiful, and then we have photo number 3. Okay, so that is my first vlog, the moving vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more vlogs, give this video a thumbs up and then comment below what you want me to specifically cover in the vlog. So like morning routines, like what I'm eating, work life, all of that stuff. Leave in the comments below what you want to see in the weekly vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go to Decinio.com and use my code Siena Mirabella to get 35% off your entire order, and it ends midnight June 12th, and that excludes frames and personalized prints. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!